Hi, my name's Apurva, co-founder of Sprntly. Sprntly is an AI agent that ingests scattered signals across a product and tells the team the single most important thing to build, and then writes the code to build it, with engineers reviewing and approving the work rather than drafting requirements or prompting coding agents themselves. The result? Teams ship what matters to the business, and they do it in days, not weeks. I think there's a rare opportunity for Memfault and Sprntly to partner. Sprintly's intelligence can power Memfault and transform it from device analytics into product intelligence, giving you genuine differentiation from everyone else in your space. Here's where Memfault sits today. You give device makers something invaluable, a clear, real-time picture of what their hardware is doing in the field: battery, performance, crashes, connectivity, usage across the entire fleet. When something's wrong with the device, you're the first to know. You're the source of truth for the hardware. But the device is only half the story of a product. Knowing what a device is doing doesn't tell your customer why it matters to their business or what to prioritize from a list of 100 signals. That's the half Sprntly completes. By integrating Sprntly's intelligence, we turn your device data into business intelligence your clients can actually act on. Let me walk you through a day in the life of one of your clients, specifically the technical team consuming your insights. I'll use the Aura Ring as an example. Normally, their morning starts in triage: a queue of support tickets, a wall of telemetry, bug reports, Slack threads, a dashboard full of numbers, subscribers, revenue trends, and more. It can take the team hours just to connect the telemetry to the support tickets and figure out what's important. And even then, they usually can't tie any of it back to a core business outcome like revenue. So they make their best guess about what's urgent, what to fix now, and what can wait. With a Sprintly powered Memfault, the team starts the day with a ranked list of the most important things to address, the noise stripped out. Here's what that looks like. Right here, Sprintly tells the team what the battery life on the size 6 and 7 rings has done. It's collapsed from 4 to 5 days down to 2, and that it's driving a wave of 1-star ratings on the App Store. The team clicks in to see more. Now they can see the full downstream impact. Trial to paid conversion for that cohort has dropped by more than 23%, costing roughly $800,000 in lost revenue over the last 90 days. They can read exactly what users are saying. Dead by noon, charged at 100% before bed, woke up at 7 a.m. at 81%, and by noon it was at 14%. And they can see what it'll cost if this isn't addressed. That's the shift. Every scattered signal becomes one insight the team can act on. And when they're ready to fix it, Sprintly takes over the hard part. It leverages the telemetry, runs a full root cause analysis, and proposes the solution. In this case, ship firmware 2.7 with a corrected polling interval for the smaller ring sizes. The team creates one ticket, and the engineer who picks it up implements it in minutes. That's what this partnership does. Memfault goes from a device telemetry tool to the intelligence platform that drives real downstream impact for your clients, connecting what their hardware is doing to what it's costing them and exactly what to do about it. This provides a clear differentiation and additional revenue opportunity. My co-founder and I left Meta to build Sprntly, and we genuinely believe Memfault is the right partner to put it in front of the device makers who need it most. And here's what we bring. Our team of software engineers will lead the implementation and integration, ensuring your team continues to focus on your core product. I'd love to hear from you and walk through how this looks like with real device data. You can reach out to me or David at david@sprntly.ai or connect with us through Marcus. Thanks so much.